Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming basic prerequisites: device unlocked, at least 20% battery, and your Google password plus any two-step verification method ready. Now open Settings, then tap Accounts to begin. This is where the device lists every signed-in account, and you'll remove the Google one. Make sure you backed up contacts and photos before proceeding, because removing the account can affect app data and sync. Once done, you'll be ready to select the specific Google account to remove from the Pixel 6. You tap the Google account entry, then choose Remove Account. Android will ask why, but proceed if you intend to disconnect. When prompted, authenticate with your device PIN or password. This stops unauthorized removals. If factory reset protection is active, you may need the account password. Enter it when asked to complete sign out. Once confirmed, the Pixel will stop syncing email, contacts, and calendar for that account, and apps tied to that Google ID will lose access until you sign in again. After removal, restart the Pixel 6 to clear cached credentials, then check Settings right arrow accounts to verify the Google account is gone. If you need Play Store access, sign in with a different Google account under Accounts. If removal fails, try Safe Mode to disable interfering apps, or use Google Account Recovery to regain access if the phone requests the old credentials. If factory reset protection blocks you, that recovery step is often the fix. Contact Google support only after you've tried recovery options.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.